Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to do a little bit of video here. I was going through my office today and found a few old school floppy disks. Um, Here's a 5 1/4 disc. I don't know if probably a lot of you haven't seen these. If you're around my age, I've been dealing with computer stuff since I was 8, 9 years old. But what I wanted to do is I found these. I found floppy disk, which everybody's pretty much familiar with. I wanted to see what my daughter would do, what she thinks these are.
Why? Why?
So what do you think this is?
Maybe you put it on a camera?
A game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why does it move?
Because the computer used to spin it around inside and it would read it. This is one of the first floppy disks that go into a computer. So this can't even hold like a picture. It's so old. It's so small. The disk can't even hold pictures nowadays.
It looks like it can't hold pictures.
Yeah. Well, back a long time ago when computers first came out, this is what they wrote data on, with what you loaded stuff in the computer with. And look at this one.
Let me see.
So that is a different version
Of this?
Yeah. So this one,
Why is this one bigger and this one smaller?
because of technology, this came out first. So as time goes on, they make stuff better and better. So like 3 of these or 4 of these can fit on this. It's like no pictures. This wasn't big enough for pictures or like songs or anything. This isn't even big enough for songs
Or
anything
pictures.
like that. But back then, we had pictures that were little, they're really tiny, and they could fit on these. But nowadays, because pictures are so big,
Like this?
Well, yeah, as far as like digital picture, like taking it with your camera. Yeah, these were the
Polaroid camera?
no, Polaroids print out the camera. But just technology these days is way better than these. But these were one of the first
Computer things?
you could take these out and transport them or ship them somewhere. And then they came CDs. And then now it's just all on your
Keyboard.
put in this bowl.
I want to go show Mom. Wait, calm her down.
Okay. Nope, that's it. I just showed it to you. I'm gonna show her.